Hey everybody, good to see you. This is Ron Kaufman. As you can see, I'm in a beautiful location. This is the Maldives. I'm here for a few days doing some scuba diving, rest and relaxation with my wife Jen because I'm building up energy. I'm getting ready for one of the most incredible events of the year, the Secrets of Superior Service with you in Mauritius. Now, at this important upcoming event, we have two major objectives. Number one, how do you improve service performance? Create more value, give a better experience, give more value internally as well as externally for each and every person that you serve. That's number one, improve service performance. Number two, how do you build a strong and sustainable culture of uplifting service that engages, arouses, educates, inspires, and encourages every person every day, so that when you go to work, you actually feel like you're bringing the best of yourself to work and you're giving the best of yourself and everybody else you work with to those you serve, your customers and your colleagues. I look forward to being with you in Mauritius. I've been there many times before, but this is going to be one of the highest energy events ever conducted in your country. Look forward to seeing you there.